This is just a quick video to show off the Mac Pro Hackintosh that I built. So we've got a Cooler Master Scout case. As you can see on the front, we've got power, an eSATA connection, headphone connection, microphone, and 4 USB ports. Obviously a DVD drive there, rewritable, pretty standard stuff. And then in the case itself we have a crucial 64GB solid state drive and a 500GB 7200 RPM spin point standard hard drive for your data. That could be obviously whatever you want, terabyte, 2 terabytes, 3 terabytes. We've also got the OCZ 700 watt power supply, and then above that we have the Gigabyte motherboard. The motherboard is a Gigabyte UD3R. We've got a NVIDIA graphics card there. Again, that could be swapped out for anything else. We've got the Corsair Dominator RAM, and then the most important part of the whole thing, we have the Intel i7 950. Ports to the back. I'll show you all the ports if I can get round. So we'll start at the bottom. You've got your 6 speaker outputs, 2 USB 3 ports. Obviously being Gigabyte, you've got a Gigabyte LAN port there. 2 standard USB 2 ports, 2 eSATA ports, 4 eSATA ports, 2 of them double up as USB ports as well. We've also got Firewire, and then above that you've got your SPDIF output, and your coaxial output, and then your PS2 mouse and PS2 keyboard outputs. And what I'm going to do is plug this all in for you, and I'll attach that to what we've got already, and I'll show you how fast this beast is. Okay, so I'll plug it all in. I can give you a demonstration as to the boot up time. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over and press the button. As you can see, the machine isn't on at the moment. We'll go for it. 1, 2, 3, and I'll just click the button now. We're there. We're on. Moving the mouse around. All working fine. Okay, so what I've done is I've set up the application folder. As you can see, I've got rid of a couple of I've got Logic 8 on there, which has been superseded by Logic 9 now, so that won't boot anymore. I've got rid of the Kex utility and front row, because that will just take over everything on the page. You might have to see what's happening. So I'm going to right click now and click open and watch the logic happen. So that's pretty much every single application I've got on the machine loaded. There you go. Show you the dock. Now what I've done is closed down all of those programs. That was a long-winded project, and what I've done here is just highlighted some pretty serious Blu-rays that I've used. So this is Book of Eli. That's 8.5 gigs. We've got a Shutter Island in there. That one is 11.7 gigs. I'm just going to load those up and just show you how quickly we get those loading on it. So that's already loaded there. We're fully involved in the film now. Just going to skip through, show you how quickly we're doing here. We get around. Obviously no sound connect at the moment, because I've just brought the machine back in. Let's show you film loading there. If we go back, have a look at the Book of Eli, load that one up, then we're in again. It's pretty much instantaneous, there's no lag. I've got one more. It Man, again another Blu-ray, 11.74 gigs. Whoops. So that's 11.74 gigs there. Just pull that up, let's load it up. There we go, straight in, that's a good one. So that is how quick you can get your Hackintosh to work and what it looks like.